Hey, everybody, and welcome back to the Deep Dive.
It's great to be back.
Today we're talking about something that can be a real pain.
Oh, tell me about it.
Selling your house.
Ooh, such a hassle.
So many things to think about.
Absolutely.
Getting it ready for showings.
Yeah.
Dealing with agents.
So much paperwork.
And then the waiting.
Ugh, the waiting's the worst.
Weeks or even months to close.
It feels like forever sometimes.
But what if there was a better way?
A faster way.
An easier way?
Sign me up.
Well, that's what we're diving into today.
I like where this is going.
We're going to talk about how you can sell your house fast for cash.
No waiting, no hassle.
And the best part is you don't have to do any repairs.
You're kidding.
Nope, we buy houses as is.
In any condition.
That's right.
So no more fixing up that leaky roof.
Or painting over those,
Questionable color choices.
Exactly.
I love it.
And we're specifically focusing on homeowners in Taylor, Texas, and the surrounding areas.
A great place to live.
But sometimes life throws you a curveball, and you need to sell your house quickly.
That's where we come in.
Exactly.
Yeah.
At that, Sell That House to Me, we help homeowners, just like you, get cash for their homes quickly and easily.
No stress, no fuss.
And if you're already thinking this sounds too good to be true,
I get it. I'd be skeptical too.
then head over to sellthathouse2me.com and see for yourself.
Get your fast and fair cash offer today.
So let's dive into Taylor, Texas.
A charming town with a rich history.
Settled back in the 1870s.
Known for its cotton and railroads.
And of course, its amazing barbecue.
Some of the best in Texas.
Absolutely. And let's not forget the ducks.
Ducks.
Yeah, apparently Taylor has a thing for ducks.
Well, that's quirky.
I know, right?
Yeah.
But hey, it adds to the charm.
I suppose it does.
But as much as we love Taylor,
And we do.
the real estate market there can be a bit unpredictable.
That's true.
The median home price is around $380,000.
Not bad.
But houses can sit on the market for 50 to 70 days.
Oof, that's a long time.
Especially if you need to sell quickly.
Exactly.
If you're facing foreclosure,
Or going through a divorce.
or maybe you got a new job and need to relocate.
Those are all situations where a fast sale is crucial.
And that's where Sell That House to Me can really make a difference.
We can close in as little as 10 days.
You heard that right, 10 days.
No waiting for buyers. No drawn-out negotiations.
Just a fair cash offer and
Yeah.
a quick closing.
It's that simple.
And when we talk about Taylor, we're not just talking about one big area.
Right.
Taylor has some really lovely neighborhoods.
Like Bull Branch, Chandler Park, the farms.
I even read that Murphy Park has a lake that's popular with the ducks.
Those ducks again.
I know, right? They get around.
So no matter where you live in Taylor,
Sell That House to Me can help.
we buy houses in all those neighborhoods.
And in any condition.
So if you're in Bull Branch and your house is feeling more like a chore than a home,
Or if you're in Chandler Park and you need to relocate for a new job
we can give you a fast and fair cash offer
and help you move on to the next chapter of your life.
without the hassle of a traditional sale.
Now, I know some people might be wondering how Sell That House to Me actually works.
It's actually pretty straightforward.
Okay, so walk us through it.
The first step is to reach out to us.
Easy enough?
You can visit our website or give us a call.
And then what?
Well, we'll ask you for some basic information about your property.
Like the address of square footage, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, that sort of thing.
Exactly. Okay, and then...
Based on that information, we'll do an initial assessment of your property.
So no need for a formal appraisal or anything like that.
Nope. And then we'll present you with a cash offer.
Just like that.
Yep. No strings attached. So it's not a lowball offer or anything.
No, we pride ourselves on making fair and reasonable offers.
Based on the actual market value of your home.
Precisely.
So no shady business going on.
None whatsoever.
I like it. And if you accept our offer,
We move quickly to close the deal.
usually within 10 days.
Wow, that's fast. We handle all the paperwork and you get your cash.
It's that simple.
It really is.
So no waiting for months for a buyer to come along.
No dealing with banks or mortgage lenders.
Just a straightforward cash transaction.
And you're free to move on with your life.
I love it.
And if you're still not convinced,
Head over to sellthathouse2me.com and check it out for yourself.
we have tons of testimonials from happy homeowners.
People just like you who needed to sell their homes quickly.
And we help them do it.
We even have some testimonials from Taylor residents.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Sam T. from Bull Branch said, "My Bull Branch home was a duck-chasing chore. They offered cash, fast close before the next quack."
That's hilarious.
I know, right? And Lisa S. from Chandler Parks said, "Chandler Park job moved me out. Their offer was quick cash in 7 days. No barbecue commute."
That's a win-win.
Absolutely. And Pete R. from the farm said, The farm's inheritance was too rural. They took it rough cash, hit fast small-town freedom.
Those are some great stories.
They really show how sell that house to me can help people in all sorts of situations.
Whether you're facing foreclosure, dealing with an inheritance, or just need to sell your house quickly for any reason.
We can help,
And we're not just limited to Taylor.
Right.
We buy houses all over Williamson County.
including Round Rock, Hutto, Georgetown, Austin.
Elgin, Thrall, Granger, you name it.
So if you're in Williamson County and you need to sell your house fast,
Give us a call or visit our website.
sellthathouse2me.com.
We're ready to help you move forward with your life.
And that's the bottom line, folks.
Selling your house doesn't have to be a nightmare.
It can be a quick and easy process.
With the right help.
So if you're in Taylor or anywhere in Williamson County,
And you're thinking about selling your house,
don't wait another minute.
head over to sellthathouse2me.com.
Get your fast and fair cash offer today.
Get your fast and fair cash offer today.
We're here to help you every step of the way.
And we can't wait to hear from you.
See you there.
See ya.
Bye.